Here's the app called Fotor, AI photo editor. So AI headshot generator, avatars. So let's just give it a try. There are so many apps like this at the moment, all kind of apps. And this Fotor is a powerful all-in-one photo editor app for everyone, including photo editing tools, design maker, and photo collage maker, powered by artificial intelligence technology. Many tools of Fotor's photo editor can meet all your editing photo needs in seconds, such as one-tap enhance, AI magic remove, AI retouch, AI background remove, AI enlarger, effects, filters, design templates. That's what you can use. So here, that's the idea. Text to image with AI, enhance photo quality, remove unwanted object. So yeah, that's the idea. Then you can just open it up. Then you can allow it. So let's see what you can take here. Then you can just start 3-day free trial here. Allow full access. You can allow notifications. And then, you can just see all of this kind of AI tools, templates, collages, effects, AI generators, AI cartoonizers, enhancers, background removers, and even more. So, you can see all of these features. This is basically more like AI Photoshop on your app. You need to be careful though when using those. So, but let's just give it a try. And then, you can just adjust. So here you can just see some descriptions, and then you can select brush size, and then you can just play with it. I mean, you need just to spend some time with this app just to understand it. So here you can just brush it up a bit. However, this app seems it just requires more work. It's not like some other AI apps are just hey, brush or whiten teeth or give better angles to the photo, and then it's kind of it just does the job. Here you need to do some manual work, but yes, still this app is quite popular. It's in the top charts. You can give it a try.